Dreaming of a career in fashion design? Not sure where to start? This video will walk you through how to choose and succeed in a fashion designing course. Step 1 is to do your research. There are many fashion design courses available, both online and in person. Consider factors like course content, length, cost, and certification. Are you looking for an introductory course, a diploma, or a full degree? Top schools like Parsons, Central St. Martin's, and the Fashion Institute of Technology offer prestigious programs, but there are also fantastic online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Step 2. Get the right tools. Once you've chosen your course, it's time to gather the tools you'll need. Most fashion design courses will require you to have basic materials like sketchbooks, pencils, fabric samples, a sewing machine, and design software like Adobe Illustrator or CLO 3D. You can start small and build your toolkit as you progress. If your course has digital elements, make sure you have the right software installed and ready to go. Step 3 is understanding your course's curriculum. A good fashion design course will cover essential topics such as fashion history and trends, sketching and illustration, fabric and textiles, pattern making and draping, sewing and garment construction, fashion business and branding. Be prepared to learn the creative and technical aspects of fashion design. Courses might also offer lessons in branding, marketing, and starting your own fashion line. Step 4. Practice, practice, practice. Fashion design is a hands-on field. Step 4 is to practice. The more you sketch, drape, and sew, the better you'll get. Your course will likely include assignments and projects that will allow you to practice what you learn. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics, patterns, and styles. Create a portfolio of your work to track your progress and showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Step 5. Network and learn from the best in the fashion industry, who you know is as important as what you know. Many courses offer opportunities to network with professionals through guest lectures, internships, and workshops. Take advantage of these opportunities to learn from industry professionals, attend fashion shows, and connect with fellow designers. Step 6. Take the next step in your fashion career. Once you've completed your course, it's time to take the next step. Whether it's applying for jobs, starting your own fashion label, or continuing your education, the skills you've learned will give you a solid foundation to build your future in fashion design. Remember, fashion design is a journey, and every sketch, stitch, and creation is a step toward your dream career. Ready to dive into the world of fashion? Research your perfect course and start designing the future today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this. What video will you like me to do next?